Hey, today we're here in Photoshop. I just had no idea for a video, and to make it special, I had to work something out in Photoshop, and I just said to myself, okay, let's make the most horrible thing we can make out there. Let's combine two very different elements and maybe try putting them together, which, as you can see, it doesn't work at all without the fill. It's just, it looks horrible. Trust me, you'll see in some seconds. So I tried to add a sky background, a dark sky background with stars. I did that. This just looks horrifying to me. I added some bars there so you cannot see the outline anymore. I don't know why I did that. And I just spammed the smudge tool so it looks like a painted mountain, maybe. I don't know. Same for the sky, and then I added some outer glow. I don't ask why. It was just a visual effect, okay? I wanted to type in magic. I just didn't have any ideas. So yeah, I also tried making a texture under it, but I didn't really succeed, did I? Well, I did a lot of mistakes in here. I could have just selected that and Control X after flattening the image, but I was dumb. I did mistakes as well. Whatever. So I just tried adding a stone texture. I eventually did it. You'll see in some seconds. Yeah, it looks horrible. I know. And I wanted to add a goat for the hell of it. With red eyes, two legs. I sharpened it up. I put, yeah, look, I blurred it out back. And it looks horrifying. And that was the whole video. So thanks for watching, I guess. Thanks for suffering with me together. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.